Hey traders, this is just a quick video to explain the changes, the update I made to my breakout indicator. So this is an indicator I use to just make my trading a little bit more efficient. It means I don't need to stare at charts as long throughout the day, particularly when I'm day trading, which I am today. And if I zoom out my chart here, jump out to the daily chart, we have this really nice trend emerging here on Euro Aussie. We've just had this break above this swing high with a major move, and now we've pulled back into structure, and this structure level is beginning to act as support. And so what I'm anticipating here is a potential rally back up to these highs. And what I want to see before I enter any positions is price break and close above this consolidation period here on this 1 hour time frame. So obviously I could just right click here and create an alert, and I'll be notified when price crosses this previous high of the consolidation. But I don't really care about that. I want to know when price closes above these highs. And with the default TradingView settings, alert settings, there's no option here to select to notify me only when price is closed above that high. So I created this breakout indicator. There is a lesson in the version 4 section of this course where I explain the code. It's a pretty simple script. All it does is it takes two inputs, long breakout price, short breakout price. It checks if price has closed above or below that given price, and then it generates an alert when that happens. So all I've done here in updating the script is I have converted it to version 5 of Pine Script, which required a few syntax changes. I needed to change the indicator, the study function to an indicator function. I needed to change my inputs. But one cool feature of version 5 and what inspired me to update this script today, since I'm using it, is this new confirm parameter in the input function. This confirm parameter, when used with time-related inputs or price-related inputs, means that when I add this script to my chart, I can actually select with my mouse where to put my breakout alerts. So if I throw on the old version of this indicator script, which I haven't updated yet, I just added it to my chart, and now I need to come up to the settings and I need to manually put in the price that I want to see before I set my alert. However, with the new version of the script, watch what happens when I click add to chart. See this little pop-up down here? It says set the long breakout price for my breakout indicator. And now I have this horizontal line. If I click up just above the highs here, we've now placed my long breakout price. And now I need to place a short breakout price as well. I'm not interested in shorting this market, but there is no way to tell Pine Script to only confirm one or the other. So I still need to place my short breakout. For now, I'll just put it at the lows. But if we do get a breakout to the downside, I'm not interested in actually trading that, but I still need to set that parameter anyway. But now you can see after setting both parameters, the script is now on my chart and the lines are drawing where I place them. And I can click on these little handle icons here, and I can change the price if I want to, really quickly and easily. And now when I set my alert on this script, I can choose once per bar close, and now I will only be notified when the breakout is confirmed and we've had a 1 hour candle close above or below our long and short breakout levels. Anyway, that's it for this lesson. I'm going to create my alerts now. Actually, one thing I'll do while I'm here is separate these alerts as well. So we'll have long alert and short alert. So for this, I'm going to get rid of the alert message here and just write long and short. And I'll add long breakout and short breakout. Save my code. Hey guys, editing Matt here. I forgot to change the condition for our short breakout to short alert. One of the many dangers of copy and pasting code. And now, when I set my alert, I can actually choose to only receive long breakout alerts. Once per bar close, create my alert. Now I'll be notified if today price action manages to clear these highs. And then I'll be interested in either trading a breakout setup, depending on how big the breakout is. If it's reasonable and below 159, I'll probably just buy the breakout with my stop below this swing low here and target the previous high in this daily pullback. Otherwise, if the breakout is massive, I'll wait for a pullback trade and hopefully get a nice better price on the pullback. And of course, if this gets stopped out, there is a second chance opportunity down at these lows to buy if we get a double bottom. I'll be keeping an eye out for that as well, because I do like the look of this market price action formation that's coming in here. And so I would not be surprised to see another push higher here that could allow me to get a nice risk reward profile, depending on how price action unfolds here. Anyway, that's it for this lesson. See you in the next one.